Hi, thank you for your interest in the 5TT Gap system. Now, I recorded this short video to just take you through the process of how you will get your free ebook as promised. Straight after this, you will receive an email from us requesting you to confirm your email address. Now, that's simply for two reasons. One, that we have your full consent to send you this free download. And secondly, we want to ensure that we have the correct email address for you to receive the download. And once you've confirmed your email address, you will be taken directly to a link that then gives you access to the download. And the ebook is now yours freely to use for as long as you want to use it. But don't forget that this 5TT Gap system has returned for me and for my clients over 90% profit in this first 7 months of this year. And I do hope you see the same sort of results in your trading. Don't forget, if you have any questions or if you need any clarification on what you're reading in the ebook, feel free to reach out to us and you can get through to us at admin@5talentstrader.com. Okay, I hope that helps you out. But before you go, I would like to introduce you to a series of videos I recorded for the 5TT Gap system. I put that together in a course and I launched it on Udemy. You will see the link to that course below. And that course contains a series of videos that shows you the principles behind the system, why the system is so profitable, how to enter trades, how to exit trades, how to manage your stop loss, the risk, how to calculate your trade size, how to get into trades, how to exit trades, and also have additional content in the course where I explain things like candlesticks, support and resistance line, pips, currency pairs, trending situation, and so on. And it's rich of some trading content that you will find useful. And I do hope you go ahead and take the course. Just follow the link below and you will have access to 3 videos free without, you don't have to pay for the course to see those first three videos, but you just get access to the first 3 videos of the course, and I do hope you find it useful in your trading. Now, until next time, I do hope you have a successful trading session for the rest of the week. Be disciplined and stay connected. Cheers.